Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to edit Travelog Filter using Lightroom Mobile App. Here are example photos before and after using this filter. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure -0.10. Contrast -20. Highlights -32. Shadows 30. Whites 6. Blacks 22. Now go to curves. Follow these steps.
All I wanted.
And done. Next go to color. Temperature 8. Tint 10.
All I wanted.
Vibrance 50. Saturation -12. Go to color mix. First go to red color. Q78. Saturation 24. Luminance 24. Go to orange. Q-26. Saturation -16. Luminance 50. Go to yellow. Q-100. Saturation -94. Luminance -35. Go to green. Q-100. Saturation -96. Luminance -100. Go to aqua. Hue and saturation -100. luminance -26. And go to blue, hue -40. Saturation -100, luminance -24. And done. Next go to Effect. Clarity 18. Dehaze 48. Vignette -35. Midpoint 28. Feather 70. Go to Split Tone, hue 213 and saturation 15 for highlights. Hue 27 and saturation 7 for shadows. Balance -42. Now go to Details. Sharpening 25. Noise reduction 40. Color noise reduction 55. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to other photo. Copy settings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more presets.